We always seem to look at ways of improving ourselves and our lifestyle, and this normally involves making promises to ourselves. Now, some may be easy to keep, like reading a new book each month, but others they can be a little harder, like losing weight or giving up smoking. Well, we do have the best intentions to keep these promises, but as our lives get so busy, these really fall by the wayside, don't they, Julie?
I completely understand this, Janie. The weeks turn into months and suddenly the year's gotten away without us achieving what we set out for ourselves. But, you know, some of these things are really important, like looking after our health and well-being or doing something beneficial for the family, like arranging life insurance.
Yeah, why is life insurance so important?
Life insurance provides for your family if you aren't around. No one can replace you, but life insurance can help secure your family's future financial well-being.
Yeah, do you think people maybe leave insurance on their to-do list because they think it's way too hard to organise?
Well, they shouldn't, because Real Insurance makes taking out family life cover easy. All it takes is a phone call to Real Insurance and you can help protect your family's financial future if the worst was to happen to you.
Well, that sounds great. So tell us more about real life insurance, Julie.
For a start, with family life cover from Real Insurance, there are no forms to fill out, which is a great time saver if you are time poor. But then there are no medical or health tests either, which removes another barrier that just stops you from putting off getting cover. With just one call, you're able to apply for immediate cover right then and there.
That does sound easy. Now, what about the cost? I mean, a lot of viewers may be putting this off because they think it's going to be something that they really can't afford.
Family life cover from Real Insurance is very reasonable, with premiums more affordable than you think. How about I give you an example? A 34-year-old female non-smoker could get a $250,000 cash benefit paid to their loved ones for only $3.66 a week. And all Australian residents can apply for family life cover, provided they're aged between 18 and 64, with benefit amounts available from $100,000. Now, of course, all premiums do depend on your age, the level of cover selected and any health and lifestyle factors.
Well, if you can't be around for them, then surely life insurance is the next best thing. Now, that amount, that would go a long way to covering the rent or mortgage and other household expenses?
Exactly right, Janie. Family life cover also provides a quick access to $10,000 to pay for things like a funeral and other immediate expenses while the claim is being processed. And your cover can be tailored to suit your family's needs. For example, you can add your partner to the policy or take out optional children's insurance to cover the well-being of your children as well.
All that in one phone call. That's what I call customer service.
Well, it appears you're not the only one to think that. I have some great news. We are also excited that Real Insurance has just won the 2013 Roy Morgan Award for Outstanding Customer Satisfaction. That's the second year in a row, and it's another reason why you can trust Real to be there for your family at a time they need a helping hand the most.
Well, that's good to know, isn't it? I mean, especially when dealing with something as important as people's financial security for the future. Now, Julie, what about the Real Reward that I hear so much about?
The Real Reward, it's unique to Real Insurance and it's their way of saying thank you. After the first 12 months, Real Insurance will refund 10% of the premiums you've paid in that time. And they'll also give you a 30-day cooling off period so you have time to make sure your policy is the right one for your needs.
So if arranging life insurance is on your list of things to achieve this year, then make sure you do give Real Insurance a call today.
Real Family Life Cover is also backed by Hanover Life Re, the third largest reinsurer in the world. So you'll know Real Insurance will be there for your family when they need it the most. So why not call 1300 730 619 now or search Real Life Insurance. A few minutes could make all the difference to your family's quality of life should something happen to you.
Great. Thanks so much for coming in today, Julie. 1300 730 619 or search Real Life Insurance.